风儿来了，风儿来了，云朵也来了，云朵来了，雷电也来了。
This is a primary book. Oh really? I thought it was a child first book. I was also very pleasantly surprised when a child first shared a video of Thea reading the P1 Chinese vocabulary book for the first time. I'm very surprised to see that Thea is very confident in reading the words inside the book, and wow, I think this just goes to show how good the child first Chinese curriculum is, so much so that it's able to prepare Thea for primary 1. I'm definitely very impressed with the Chinese curriculum offered by Child First. My girls, I've seen them grow leaps and bounds in terms of their proficiency. Here, she really likes Chinese a lot, so much so that she will even log in to Child First, the AI Chinese program over the weekends, just to practice and learn and to immerse herself and enjoy the language. What caught our attention about Child First was that you were one of the few schools whereby you have a 50% immersion program between both Chinese and English. Child First curriculum is definitely very beneficial for any child who's preparing to go to primary 1. Not just on the academic side whereby they learn to write, to read, but also in terms of public speaking as well. In Child First, you have public speaking for both English and for Chinese. These kind of public speaking opportunities doesn't exist in every childcare center. But Child First has put in the effort to give a topic to the children almost every month for them to have the ability to learn and to speak and converse in both languages, which I think will help in the child's confidence, especially when they go to primary 1, whereby they need to present or do dancing in the assembly hall and so forth. So that is definitely beneficial. Curriculum and standards of Child First for Chinese is definitely very high, so much so that I can see that for Liz, when she goes to primary 1, her T&Cs proficiency and all is pretty much easily above average. Personally speaking, I think it's really, really great, and it has been very, very beneficial to my 2 girls.